Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to download and install Blender in Windows. So let's get started. So just go to Google and type download Blender. You'll be having the first link as blender.org download. Just click on that and you'll be taken to the official download page, blender.org/download, and here you'll be having the latest version, which is 3.6, and I'm having here for Windows and it is about 306 MB. If you want to download for other OS like Mac and Linux, you have like so many options over here, and you also have zip file and many more things. So I'll just go with the standard installer. So just click on that. If you want, you can also support Blender, that's totally up to you, and it is about 306 MB in size, so just be patient till that. So once the download is complete, just click on open and you'll be getting the Blender setup over here. Just click on next and just click on I accept the terms in the license agreement. Next, and this is the default location where Blender will be installed. And yeah, so once you're done setting up the location, just click on next, and if you're ready to install, just click on install. Yeah, so it will take some time for the installation to complete, so just be patient again. So once the installation is complete, you'll be getting completed the Blender setup. Just click on finish. So just go to search and type for Blender. You'll be getting the Blender 3.6. just open it and you'll be getting the Blender interface like this. So if I just now can just configure it, if you are opening it for the first time, click on next and just have general. You have 2D sculpting, VFX, video editing and many more. I'll just go with general, and by default you'll be getting this cube for Blender. So that's it. This is how you download and install Blender, and I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done many tutorials in C, C++, Java, Python, Node.js, React.js, MongoDB, MySQL, CRUD operations also. So subscribe me. Thanks for watching.